Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another edition of Cooking with Tank. And today I will be making us a taco slash burrito type thing. I haven't decided how I was going to wrap this quite yet. So, well, first we got, a tortilla, soft shell. And this Tupperware is taco meat. And this is potatoes and peppers. And cheese and guac and sauces and, let's just put the thing together. Alright? Come on. I know you want it. Come on. Okay, so we got our tortilla. And we're going to start off by sprinkling some cheese. Let's spread out a little. There we go. Why am I closing this? I'm going to need some more of this. Okay. Next, we are going to grab the potatoes. Just gonna okay, there we go. Sorry for the barking of the dogs. My windows are open. My neighbors have dogs, and it's the way it goes. Now we got the taco meat. Okay. Okay, just like that. And now we're going to grab some more cheese. Cut. Now we're going to stick this in the microwave for like a good minute. Okay, we're back. The cheese is melted. And now we're going to add some guac. I have Tostitos avocado salsa. Okay, good. And now some jalapenos. Right. And now we are going to be adding, this is the Leaping Leopard chili sauce. This cap does not squirt worth a damn, so we gotta slowly pour. Come on. Just like that. Okay. Okay. Here it is. I could have done a little bit of a better job, but it is what it is. There we go. Easy fix. So, we're going to actually, give this a taste. It might be a little sloppy, but we'll get to that. It's okay. Sometimes that's gotta happen. Okay. The potato actually really works quite good. With this. Okay, so yeah, this really tastes quite good. Apologies, vehicles are driving around. It's kind of wet outside, so it's extra noisy. Now that bite has everything. Really good. The meat, the potato, the cheese, the guac, the sauce, the jalapenos comes in deliciously. It's good. I recommend you guys try to make this. Quite easy. I just threw this together with the leftovers I had in the refrigerator, guys. So good. Combine your leftovers. Tastes delicious. Okay, folks. So until next time, my friends and fans, I've been Tank. Signing off. Have a wonderful day, night, evening, whenever you're watching us. And always just remember, if you get knocked down, make sure you get back up. Don't let the stress of work, your home life, just this whole world with the pressure just pushing down on you, you will fall over. But always remember to get back up. That's been Tank's word of the day. Much love to y'all. Peace.